Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to withdraw money from your crypto.com account straight to your bank account in 2025 using the mobile app. Let's jump right in. First of all, open the crypto.com app and head to the bottom menu. Then tap on Accounts and select your crypto wallet. At the top, you will see options like buy, sell, and pay and transfer. Tap transfer, then choose withdraw. Now, select crypto to external wallet. If you have already linked a bank account, it may show up here. Otherwise, you will need to add your bank details manually. Depending on your region and currency, crypto.com may require a small verification deposit to confirm the bank account is yours. Once verified, your bank will be saved for future withdrawals. To avoid issues with payouts, tap the menu icon on the home page, go to Settings, then Account, and check your payment currency. Make sure it matches the currency your bank account supports, like USD, Euro, or GBP. And that's it. You have now connected your bank account and are ready to withdraw from crypto.com easily in 2025. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick crypto tutorials.